I, Nurdin Mohammed Haji, do swear that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, that I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution.
That I undertake to hold my office as the Attorney General with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not divulge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the Attorney General, and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.